Hey, Blake Rudis here with F64 Academy and F64 Elite, and this COVID thing sucks. Oh man, I never thought that something like this would happen and affect us in our lifetime, and that's really quite shocking. But you know what? I don't want that to worry you or worry me or worry anybody else for that matter, and I think that we can still remain positive in this time. And instead of, watching the media and Facebook and all this stuff that's being spread, a lot of false fake news is happening right now. The best thing we can do is just stay inside and wait it out. Really, honestly, get yourself some toilet paper. Apparently that's the one thing that everyone's buying. I don't understand why. And just kind of wait it out, So what I've done is I've taken 7 videos here, and I've done over 300 some odd videos on my YouTube channel, but over the last 3 years or so, I've been thinking about some of these videos, and these ones that just stick out in my mind as being some of my favorites, and I thought I'd share them with you today to possibly uplift you a little bit, take your mind off of things, stay away from the media, stay away from Facebook, and fill your mind with something that can actually help you rather than something that can hurt you. Because all this fear mongering that's happening right now, there's nothing we can do. It's out of our control. We just pretty much have to just wait this one out and let it go. That's not the best advice for anybody by any stretch of the imagination, but because you are inside and you're stuck here, why not take a look at some tutorials and fill your brain with some awesome stuff. Now, below these videos, you're also going to see basically an invitation to my F64 Academy Elite program. I don't want you to feel any pressure to have to buy anything, especially in this time. I'm just putting that out there because a lot of the stuff that you see on my YouTube channel comes from that website, and there's a ton more on that website, and I figured I'd just give you the opportunity to see that stuff now. Again, no pressure to buy anything. I know the time that we're in right now. I just put it out there because if you're going to be stuck inside for a long time, there's plenty more videos you can watch over on F64 Elite. All right, stay healthy, stay safe, stay inside, and let's ride this one out together. All right, let me know if you need anything via email.